DustBoss maintenance just got easier with the introduction of the Quick Release Manifold Bracket, a design that minimizes downtime and worker exposure to harsh conditions. Instead of removing each individual nozzle from the DustBoss itself, which can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, the Quick Release Manifold Bracket allows easy removal of the manifold, which can be replaced with another manifold while the first set of nozzles is cleaned. With the Quick Release Manifold Bracket, changing the manifold is a less than 5-minute job, requiring no tools, all to save you money and protect your workers. Contact Dust Control Technology for more information.